Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about which investments will give high returns. Investment with high returns also involves risk. The best approach will depend upon your financial goals, risk tolerance and time horizon. Investing in yourself. Compared to all investment available currently, the best investment is investing in yourself. That is self-development, upskilling yourself, learning new skills relevant to your job role, which will help to get career advancement and promotions. Investment in stocks. Investment in stocks will give the higher rewards, but you need sufficient experience to select growth stocks and diversify your stock portfolio to manage risk. Invest in mutual funds, the pool of money which is invested by professional fund managers or the mutual funds. They will research stocks for you and invest in stock markets. You will get decent returns. Investing in real estate. Investing in real estate will be lower risk compared to in stock market, but property value is stable in the long term. Rent yield is also 3 to 4% per annum. Investing in gold coins or gold ETF. Gold has been seen as a special and valuable commodity. Investors buy gold to diversify their risk portfolio. Buy gold coins or gold ETF. If you buy gold jewels, you will lose your returns. Usually, the wastage of gold will charge 15 to 18% of your investments. Do not put all the investments in one asset class. You have to diversify your asset class, whether stocks, mutual funds, and real estate, along with gold ETF also. That's it about this video, friends. So press the like button and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.